Every year in India, 4,80,000 people die of TB.
Each of these families lives within 10 kilometers of this government hospital where treatment for TB is free.
लगभग लोग ऐसे हैं जो कि दिन का जो दिहाड़ी मजदूरी करते हैं तो उससे उनका परिवार का खाना चूल्हा जलता है.
And for every single day that they come to the hospital, they forego that day's wages. That's a very high opportunity cost for them.
And then there is the problem of negative perception of government hospitals themselves, to the extent that even the poorest of the poor prefer visiting private clinics, many of which are actually of poorer quality in reality when compared to government hospitals.
सरकारी में सुविधा है नहीं है तो क्या करेंगे हम लोग. गरीब आदमी है उसमें परेशानी होता है.
रोगी को देखते हैं वहाँ चिल्ला रहा है उल्ला रहा है, उसको कोई देखने सुनने वाला नहीं. हम तो अपने आंखों से देखे हैं.
Once a person is diagnosed, they have to take medications for 6 to 8 months. Only then they would be completely cured of TB.
Now, this aspect of TB treatment makes it difficult to cure because most of the poor, when dealing with private clinics, have to spend money for the same medication that's free at government hospitals. So it's common for many to not continue the full course of medication, eventually leading to death by TB in several cases. For Innovators in Health, a non-profit based in Dalsing Sarai, that wanted to bring down deaths by TB, the solution was simple: make government hospitals more inviting for the poor on one hand, and on the other hand, find and counsel the patients early on the need for continuing the full course of medication. The question was, how to get this done?
The basic philosophy of IIH is there are people in this area, they would any day be more passionate than people who have not grown up here to solve these problems, to fix these problems, because these problems have been affecting them, their families, their communities for years now. We have trained community health worker. The ASHA worker would go to the field and visit people's home and ask them for if anyone has symptoms of TB.
2010 से जब हम लोग का प्रशिक्षण मिला, जो इनका मतलब लक्षण क्या है, इनका क्या बचाव है, क्या फैलाव है, कितना दिन का इलाज होता है, इसका पता चला तो जो दिल में बैठा हुआ भावना थी वो भर गया.
If anyone has any symptom of TB, they would bring them to the hospital, help them, handhold them throughout the process, and once they are diagnosed, support them throughout the duration of the treatment for TB.
जो पहले व्यवस्थाएं थी उसमें काफ़ी बदलाव हुआ है सरकारी में. अब आप चलेंगे तो आपको लगेगा कि अंतर दिखेगा आपको.
Diagnosis which would have taken 3 or 4 visits and then a couple of visits for getting the medication. With ASHA's help and with ASHA's support, who knows the system in and out, all of this can be done in 2 days' time, where patients would have to make only a single visit to the hospital. This is not rocket science at all. So what we are doing are simple things, but different elements need to come together, and only then these solutions will work. You need political support, you need support from the government, you need support from the villagers, you need support from the ASHA workers. If you don't have all of these stakeholders on board, the solution is not going to work out.